Here we are, April 8th, at the Good Samaritan School. Everyone's getting lined up. You can see the population of the school has increased dramatically from the earthquake of January 12th. The school's bursting at the seams. And here is the primary grades. Again, they are bursting at the seams. Welcome. Well, here we are at the Good Samaritan School, and these are all the kids getting ready for school. Today we're going to do some teacher training on our Wiki project and get these kids even more connected than they already are with us. So that'll be a neat thing.